A site plan is a two-dimensional drawing showing what's currently on your property and your proposed changes. A good site plan includes all existing development and proposed changes, including additions and removals of buildings, property lines and their lengths, the distance between structures and lot lines and the distance between each structure, driveways, access points, swimming pools, sheds, natural water courses, easements, drainage ditches, and wooded areas, the location of wells, septic systems, and other services, any adjacent properties and their uses, adjacent roads, and any property easements. All planning applications require a site plan. A site plan shows existing features on a property and any proposed changes, like adding a garage, reducing a setback, or dividing land to create a new lot. Site plans are circulated as part of a complete application and show staff, the public, local committees, and council what you're proposing and helps to confirm that compliance with zoning and development conditions can be met. Step 1. Start your site plan by drawing a north arrow in the top right corner of your page. This helps to orientate your site plan. Step 2. Draw the existing shape of your property. Add the length of each lot line in meters. If you are proposing to make a new lot or divide land, show the proposed new lot lines and include the sizes in meters, square meters, or hectares. How the property exists today can be shown in solid lines, and proposed changes are shown with dashed lines. Step 3. Draw and label the nearby roads, the area of your lot, and any proposed land division, as well as nearby land uses. Be sure to include and label all roads in and around the property, including unopened road allowances, private and public roads, or rights of way. Step 4. Draw and label any current or proposed buildings, structures, wells, septic systems, driveways, and parking areas. This could include detached garages, sheds, barns, decks, pools, fences, and houses. Step 5. Clearly show and label the distance between any buildings or structures and other buildings and property lines in meters. Dimensions and distances should be provided for all buildings or structures that were added in Step 4. Step 6. Identify and label the changes you are proposing on your property. Dashed lines or different colors are helpful to show proposed changes. Step 7. Draw and label the locations of natural features like ponds, lakes, wooded areas, drainage ditches, rivers or streams, and wetlands that may be on or next to the property. Step 8. Draw and label any elements like easements, electrical or gas lines on or adjacent to the property. For larger properties or complex proposals, you may need to submit one site plan for the whole property and a detailed, zoomed-in site plan showing where the development is proposed. Step 9. Review your site plan before submission. Missing information can delay the application process. A complete site plan helps everyone understand what you want to do. Your site plan is crucial in showing proposed changes. Remember, clarity is key as your site plan will be circulated with your application and be reviewed by various people. Incomplete site plans lead to delays. Make sure all the discussed buildings, structures, and services are shown on your site plan. Double check your measurements and ensure they are shown on the site plan in meters. A complete and clear site plan helps everyone to evaluate your proposal. A good site plan should clearly show to everyone what you are proposing to do just by looking at it. The planning department receives a wide variety of site plans, some that are more complex and some that are simpler. Please see the Bruce County Site Plan Sketch Requirements. This document contains a checklist that will help you with ensuring your site plan is complete. At minimum, the planning department requires a site sketch that outlines the details discussed in this video. It can be as simple as a drawing with pen or paper or using your computer. Bruce County Maps is available to help you get an approximate estimate of your property to develop a site plan. Please note that Bruce County Maps is not intended to replace a survey. For additional planning application information, please visit the site below. By following this link, you can find Bruce County planning application forms, fees, an overview of the application process, and much more. Thank you for watching. Please see the below contact information for additional questions or submitting your planning application.